Do you ever feel like you're not enough? Like you don't measure up to the person that you think you should be, or the person people are expecting you to be? Today I want to assure you of where your self-worth lies, because here's the truth as written in Genesis 1:27. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created. You, beloved, are made in the image and likeness of God. And I don't want you to ever forget that. That means that you are not a mistake. Your worth isn't based on your achievements, your appearances, or even the opinions of others. It's rooted in the fact that you reflect the Creator of all things. Not some things, all things. Your characteristics and nature are that of a God who created all things from a previous non-existence. Do you know how amazing that is? Do you understand what that means? You reflect his righteousness, his rationality, his intellect, his will, emotions, morality, and capacity for spiritual connection. Listen, you weren't designed to be like anyone. You are pre-wired with the creative nature of your Creator to do good works in this world. Whenever the lies of insecurity, doubt, fear, negative thoughts of inadequacy creep into your mind, expose it for what it is: opposition to who God says that you are. Repeat after me. I am made in God's image. I bear his nature and his characteristics. He was intentional in creating me. That's why I have value and purpose in this world. Begin to affirm the truth of God's word in your life daily and watch how the words of the enemy will no longer hold power over you. Thanks for listening to another episode of 1 Minute on Purpose. And if you're loving these 1 Minute on Purpose, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know and share with a friend.